Well, hello class. Well, here we are already in week 6. Can you believe that? That's amazing, huh? How time just flies when we're having fun. But so far I've enjoyed everyone in the class. I've enjoyed all your threads, your reflection logs, your quizzes, everything. It was really fun. And I think that this week is significant because it talks about things we don't usually like to talk about. And obviously, we all know that that is conflict. No one likes to really deal with it. Nobody really likes to talk with it. So why don't we just get at it and see what this week has to offer? Okay, so when it comes to conflict, what is conflict actually? What is conflict all about? Well, the first thing is, as the objectives of the week talk to, we want to recognize and apply the theories of motivation, leadership, and conflict to the organization. And the thing is that, just like when we talked about in the past, Hertzberg, we had motivational factors, and we had hygiene factors. Well, when we talk about motivational factors, we want to figure out what motivates us most, and that can be definitely something that we can look at when it comes to conflict. We're either motivated negatively or we're motivated positively. Certainly, we don't want to go the negative way. So what's the best thing we should do when conflict arises? Well, first of all, we want to see whether it's one party or more than one party, whether it's supervisor to subordinate or peer-to-peer, whatever it is. We want to identify decision-making biases because conflict arises when we have biases. And rather than making problems personal, we want to focus on the goals. How do we solve problems when we focus on the goals and not make things personal? Will eliminate biases, and by eliminating biases, you certainly reduce the chance of conflict. So we want to navigate through the different types of conflict. And in order to identify how to manage conflict, we need to look at the different types of conflict that are out there. And that's what we're going to talk about this week. And we want to turn, the bottom line is, we want to turn every conflict into a negotiating process where there's a win-win situation. In other words, in a conflict, one party has to give something up and one party has to gain something. So in this particular week, we want to, looking over the module checklist, we want to read and then watch the required materials that are completed by the posted due dates. We want to answer the week's discussion questions, and we want to, it says respond to at least 2 of your classmates in the online discussion. Okay, you can do that within one thread, as we know. And the final paper is actually going to be posted this week, which you've been working on throughout the term. So there's a lot to do this week. I look forward to all of your responses, and I can't wait to see what your papers look like. So have a wonderful week, and on to closing out this course next week. Wow, can't believe it. Like I said, take care. And you always know how to get in touch with me should you have to reach me. Thank you.